Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna make weekly planner as exams are coming. It really worked for me in last exams and I scored really good marks. So I thought I should share with you also. So without wasting any time, let's start. See, this is my desktop and I have stuck my framework on this. So I have written subjects according to the days on these sticky notes, and I have written duration and what I'm going to cover on that day. So let's start. On Monday I have kept chemistry and history, as I think chemistry is my favorite subject and it's very easy. And after a long and very enjoyable weekends, I think Monday is very boring. So I kept my favorite and very easy subject on that day. So my plan for Tuesday are economics and maths. As economics is very easy and my favorite subject also, so I think I should keep Tuesday or economics on Tuesday. So on Wednesday I kept physics and civics, because I think on Wednesday we have to gear up. And as Wednesday comes, obviously we have to complete syllabus because only 3 days are left: Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So now comes Thursday. On Thursday I have kept geography and biology. And I have devoted 1 hour for biology and 1 hour for geography. Now let's switch to Friday. So on Friday I have kept history and maths. And for maths I'm devoting 2 hours, and for history I'm devoting 1 hour. Now you guys must be thinking why I kept maths 2 days. Because for me maths, I think that I need more practice in maths and I'm little bit weak in maths. So you can keep any subject 2 or 3 days in a week. Comes Saturday. On Saturday I have kept English and Hindi, which are languages and easy. So I think on Saturday we should keep 2 easy subjects, or if we are left with any subject in a week, we can do that on Saturday. So that's why I'm keeping very less work on Saturday, and it's a weekend so we can enjoy more. Yes, now comes the Sunday, your and mine favorite too, because on that day we can relax our mind by listening to music, spend our time with family, or do anything what we want, or we can do which our tasks are left in the week. So friends, I hope you liked my idea and I think you should try, because I really scored good marks in my last exams. So please like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Bye for now.